Are you tired of posting on your Instagram account and you are not getting followers, you are not getting comments, your videos are not getting views? Then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can grow your Instagram account. In fact, how you can also grow your Instagram team page, that you can be posting your product and be making sales and you'll be making money for yourself. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method and the best tools which you can use and grow your Instagram account. In a month, you can grow your Instagram account with more than thousands of followers, comments, and also likes. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing every method and every tools which you need and you'll be using and be growing your Instagram account. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across my channel, I am Lupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make money online with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business, grow your social media account like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more. So make sure, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button right now, and also the notification bell, so that when next I drop more videos on how you can be making money, how you can grow your Instagram account, how you can build your business, you should also be among of the people to be watching those videos. Now, let's go drive into it. Let me show you step-by-step guidelines and method which you can use to grow your Instagram account from 1,000 subscribers to 1 million subscribers right now. Let's get started. Now, let's get started. Let me show you how you can build your Instagram account from 0 followers to 1 million followers in just 2 months or in 1 month. And to do that, all you have to do, go down to the description of this video. The first link you will see, click on the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it said grow Insta it said Instagram group that actually works. Our competitors give empty promises and fake followers. Second viral helps you grow organically on Instagram the right way. As you can see, it says start your 5 days trial. So as you can see, you can decide to read and say target Instagram follower, asking viral connect you with real target fans on Instagram who value your content. With us, you are building a dedicated community, not just a list of followers. So you can decide to read all these things, but before we continue reading, I want us to check more review about this platform on Trustpilot. So let's check that right now. Now this is Trustpilot. As you can see, this is review. We have this platform have 4.7, as you can see, 234 reviews. Now let's check review. Let's click on see all reviews so that we check. As you can see, this person posted his review, that is June 14, 2025, just few days ago. As you can see, it said the chicken viral team has gone above the beyond to make sure that I got the growth that my account deserves. Thank you very much. And I had a great experience. The team is super nice and helpful. Already gone 500 followers, still growing. So as you can see, now this is another person. Now as you can see, I saw their video calling. Now this person, that is, this review was made, that is 30 May 2025. This person said, that is Lee, he said, I saw their video calling out fake service and that is what sold me. It has been 6 weeks and my engagement rate has actually gone up, which is the opposite of what happened with other service I tried. If you can afford it, do it. Now, another person here says, grow about 1,000 subscribers over 2 months. Super nice community, film photography, and I've had really convinced with some of them. So you can decide to check some of their review before you start working with them. You can check review. People have been reviewing about them. How the platform have helped them grow massive followers and engagement, how they have grow their Instagram account. So this is, as you can see, another person here. This review was made, that is February 25. 2025. As you can see, it's a very good service, but a little praise. I can tell it's real people following me, which is great, but I wish there was a cheaper plan for similar account. So as you can see, a lot of review about this. Can decided to check it out. A great service, but you have to be patient. It is not an overnight fix, but if you stick with it, you will see real result. I just wish there were more ways to customize the growth strategy. So as you can see how people are revealing. Now let's go back to the platform. Now continue. This is the platform. Let's continue and check it out. So now as you can see, Instagram target is a quick and easy setup. Get started with a 5 days free trial. After you answer a few target questions, we begin the growth process. So 100% organic result. Since 2016, Acid Viral has been dedicated to honest and transparency and genuine Instagram growth. So you can decide to check and read more about it. Now, after you have read more about it and want to get started, all you have to do is just to click on start your 5 days trial. When you click on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, start your free trial. So now their first package here start from $139, as you can see, per month. Cancel anytime. You can decide to cancel this anytime. Anytime you wish, you can decide to cancel it. And standard Instagram growth, that is 150 to 600 plus monthly target followers. As you can see, say over one personal growth assistant, minimal content suggestion. So this is their first package, and this is their second package, which is going for $199, and you can see per month. Cancel anytime. You can decide to cancel it anytime. As you can see, maximum growth Instagram growth, 300 to 1,000 monthly target followers. As you can see, your own personal growth assistant. So you can decide to unlock any of their package. So if you decided to go with the package 1 or package 2, so if you are looking for large audience, you can decide to go with this package 2 by clicking on it. And when you click on it, what you just have to do, it will bring you to an interface like this where you start to register. As you can see, your new plan to born growth. So try it for free for 30 days, then just 1,000, just $199 per month. So you can decide to try it out for 5 days and start payment after 5 days for $199 per month. And to get started, all you have to do is to put your name, your last name, create your username, your email address, your password, and you repeat your confirmation password. So if you are paying with Stripe account or PayPal account, you can decide to use PayPal or you can decide to use Stripe. And if you are also finding it difficult to get a PayPal account or you don't have PayPal or a Stripe account, I have a video in this channel that teach you how you can create a working Stripe account that is being verified that you can use to send money or receive money. So, and if you also have PayPal account, all you just have to do is just to click on PayPal account here and you click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, you can start register. If you don't have PayPal account, I have a video in this channel that teach you how you can create a working PayPal account which is verified that you can use and send money or receive money. I'll be leaving that video in the description of this video. Make sure you go and watch the video so that you know how to create a working PayPal account. So before you click on sign up, all you have to do is to click on I have a couple code. And when you click on I have a couple code, make sure you put this code that is showing right now on your screen. This code that is showing right now on your screen, make sure you put the code. If you put use my promo code, you are going to receive some discount. They are going to give you some discount. So make sure you use my promo code. And after you use my promo code, you are going to receive some 20% discount. So make sure you use my promo code. And after you use my promo code, you click on sign up and you are going to register. And in a month, they are going to also chat you and start communicating with you on how they will grow your Instagram account for you. You can also chat their customer care support here. As you can see, all you just have to do is just to tap on it. When you tap on it, it will bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, say chat with us. As you can see, we are offline right now. We will email you within the next 24 hours. and you can decide to start chatting and communicate with their customer care support. So this is how you can grow your Instagram account from 0 followers to 1,000 followers, 1 million followers in less than 1 month. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to my channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos on how you can be making money with your smartphone or with your laptop, or how you can grow your social media account like Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, and Facebook, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. I still remain Numpe Flavor TV.